How to see the Wi-Fi password on your laptop. I'm going to show you quickly, guys. On your laptop keyboard, press the Windows key plus R. Go ahead and press them. In this window, type CMD. Once you've typed it, click OK. There you go. This command prompt window will open. Now, in this command prompt window, what are you going to do? I'll leave this command below the video you're watching. Notice that where your Wi-Fi network appears, you need to delete it, okay? You're going to delete it and type in the name of your network. Click on the Wi-Fi symbol on your laptop and check what your network's name is. In this case, the name is Kaiki. So now I'm going to type it in. And I'm going to type the network name, done. Now I'm going to copy this code. Copied. I'm going to go back to the command screen and paste it. Did you paste it? Just hit enter and you'll see the Wi-Fi password for the laptop, okay? Here in the security settings section is where you'll find the key content, and here is your password, okay? This is my Wi-Fi password. It's simple and quick for you to see. I hope I helped. If you were able to see the Wi-Fi password on your laptop, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.